What is healthy eating? Healthy eating simply means eating a variety of different foods every single day. Now, to help us achieve this variety, the foods are put into groups. We have fruits and vegetables, starchy foods, protein foods, and dairy foods. Now, dairy foods are a protein food, but they also contain other vitamins and minerals that we don't find in the protein foods. So dairy foods are important to eat as well as protein foods. So let's look at fruits and vegetables. Now, fruits and vegetables can be fresh, frozen, juiced, canned, and dried. Okay, so we can eat a huge amount of fruits and vegetables in many different ways, and we want to try and eat a lot of colourful different types of fruit and vegetables as shown on the pictures there in front of you. Now, if you're going to have fruit juice, what you need to do is to read the label and make sure that it doesn't contain any added sugar. It might say on the front pure fruit juice, okay, and if it's pure it means it doesn't contain anything else. When you're looking at canned fruits, the best fruits to buy are those that are in their natural juice. Try and avoid those that contain syrup and added sugar. For vegetables, try and get vegetables that are canned in water and avoid those that are in brine and in salt. What's not included and shown here on your vegetable pictures is that pulses are also included as a vegetable. So that's things like your lentils, your chickpeas, your beans. They are counted as a vegetable source and a very good type of food to eat. The next food to look at are starchy foods. And the first thing you can see is that we have the lentils, the chickpeas, the beans there again. So they're counted as a starchy food as well. What you will also see is that potatoes are counted as a starchy food and not a vegetable. Okay, this is because it contains a lot more of that starch that the body requires. Rice is a starchy food. Breads, including all the flatbreads, would count as a starchy food, as does pasta. Breakfast cereals, again, are a starchy food, but please avoid those that are aimed at children. This is because they contain, unfortunately, a lot of added sugar, so please avoid those. The next food group are the protein foods, and what you will notice again is that we have the chickpeas, the lentils, and the beans. So all the pulses will count towards 3 of those 4 food groups, which is fantastic. Nuts and seeds are also another important source of protein. They also provide our body with lots of fibre and a good type of fat, so please include those as much as possible in your diet. Eggs, again, are another good source of protein, and they're very quick and easy to use. We also have our common protein foods that you are probably aware of. So we have our red meats, our chicken, and our fish. The next group is the dairy foods. So that's all the products coming from the cow or goat, apart from butter. So you have your cheese, your yogurts, and your milk. So these are very important to include every day because they provide our body with calcium, and sometimes we might get some vitamin D from these foods as well. Now, eating a mixture of these foods from the different food groups will provide your body with all the different nutrients and energy that it requires so that you can carry out all your daily activities, be it brushing your teeth or running up the stairs. It also helps with everything that occurs inside our bodies, things that we don't know that are going on, sort of creating and repairing tissues. If we're unwell, it can help boost our immune system. So it really is important to make sure that you eat that variety every single day. Now, for children, it really is essential because it means that they can grow and develop properly. So we need to make sure that we eat that variety. And what you need to remember is that no single food will supply all the nutrients you need. You must eat that variety, please. Don't be tempted to try a faddy diet where you might cut out a food group or you might just eat one type of food for a week. It's not good for your body. You need to have those nutrients every single day. So remember that the food groups are your fruits and vegetables, your starchy foods, your protein foods, and your dairy foods.